How to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to Steam VR. Now, you have a few options you can do this, like using your Oculus Link and other kinds of options to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC, but we're going to show you one way. This should technically be the fastest, but you're going to need good connection for this since it is wireless. So first of all, on your PC, you can go ahead and download and install Steam, of course. Make sure you have your accounts ready, log in, and also download Steam VR. Then you can go ahead and launch that. But Steam VR isn't really needed since what we're gonna do is use Steam Link. All you're gonna need from there is just the Steam app itself. Make sure your Steam app is also connected to the same connection or the same internet your Oculus Quest 2 is also connected to, so the same Wi-Fi. But once that's already on your Oculus Quest 2, you're gonna go ahead to your Quest store. So over there, you're gonna go ahead and search for Steam, and an app like Steam Link will pop out. You can go ahead and press on that and install the Steam Link app. Then you're gonna have to open it. So you're gonna follow a few step-by-step instructions, but for now, it's gonna go ahead and scan. So it's gonna look for computers running Steam on the local network, and you're gonna have to find your PC. So your PC should have a name as well. You can go ahead and choose that, and then you're gonna press on connect. Once you press on connect, it's gonna ask for a few permissions. You're gonna go ahead and allow that to avoid some extra problems or troubleshooting later. But once you press and allow, it's gonna go ahead and follow up with the connection. It's gonna show you until it's done, and you should be able to notice that your Steam should now be connected to your Oculus Quest 2. Just go ahead and log into your accounts as well. You're gonna need those details in the end. But that's pretty much how you can connect both your Oculus Quest 2 to your Steam. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.